Welcome to Club Connector. Note this video only covers managing your supergroup. You'll also want to watch the groups walkthrough video to get the basics. The most important and most difficult part is simply getting your groups to add the application. Once they have done so, creating a supergroup is pretty straightforward. If you are not already on the public calendar page, click this tab to come here. The first thing to do is choose your network using this drop-down menu. The term supergroup simply means a collection of already existing group calendars. So you'll first want to select those. Click on Find Events or Organizations, then click Hide All. There are two ways to select your group's calendars. The first is using this menu, choosing them individually. Click any of the calendars you want to see. The second way is to use the Categorize listing. Click here. We recommend doing it this way because the groups are organized by the Facebook categories they're created under, so they will likely be in the same category, so this should be easier. So click any of the categories you want to see. You can click multiple if you would like, or you can deselect any if they don't fit. You'll also want to put your own group in your supergroup, so you'll also be able to add events to this calendar. If you don't already have a group, just create one on Facebook. If there are any groups that are missing from this list, that means one of three things. Either they haven't added the application yet, or they haven't created any public events for their group, or the third possibility is that they're in the wrong network, and we'll show you how they can change their network later in this video. Once you've selected all your desired groups, click on Supergroups at the top. Then click Create Supergroup. Note we've already completed step 1, so go to step 2, enter a name, and then choose any admins or password. Then click Create Supergroup. And that's it. You have your link here that you can give to your groups and any individuals to see your calendar. In addition, if you refresh the page, you'll be able to see your supergroup in a menu. And there it is. You can click on it to edit it, delete it, or go straight to it. If you click on an event, you can see more details, such as the direct link to the event, or a link that comes to all of the events for this specific group. And your groups or the public can RSVP for the event and add any notes. If you click more details, you will see that it's automatically linked to the Facebook group, and you can enter a custom link when you create the event, and see everyone who is currently signed up. To add an event, click the Faint Add Entry button for a date, enter the information and choose your calendar. If your group's calendar does not show up, that either means you're not an admin for that group or you're in the wrong network. So either change your network or change your group's network. Again, we'll show you how to do this later. If you click more options, you can create a custom link to your web page, and you can also create a Facebook event directly. When you're done, press Add Event. Now we will go to the settings page to see how to change group's network. Click on Advanced Settings, then My Info, then scroll down to find the group that you're an admin for and click Group Info. Then you can select the network here and press Change Network. Finally, in addition to adding events directly to the calendar, you can also import or sync any existing calendars you may have using these tabs here. We strongly recommend you watch the groups walkthrough video to get more basics of how to use the application.